Good morning students, myself Rajesh sir. Today we are doing a design assignment which called lettering. So different type of letters we will study and then we will do the lettering assignment. So let's start the lettering assignment. Good morning students. Today we are starting the lettering assignment. Before starting the lettering assignment you should understand the different style of letters, words. So now I will show you the Roman letters. Okay, it has a different style to write. So here I have drawn a line and roughly I have done it. Now you can see the style of the Roman letters. Here it turns like this and the letter is like this. See, so this is called a Roman letter. It is not compulsory for you to do the Roman letter, but for the information you must know. That is, you can see here this side is very thick and this side is very thin and this line also thin. So this is the style of Roman letters. Okay, now B letter. I will take the B letter. These letters are actually doing by the cut nib pen. Right now I don't have that pen, that is I am showing with the pencil. It has a different style, but no problem, it is not compulsory for you. For just knowledge I am showing you this. The pens are available in the shops, no need to buy it, just for information I am showing you. Okay, you can see here same like here the thickness is broad and here is a thin. So this is the style of the Roman letters. Just to make you understand, I am showing you this. This is the C. Okay, here you can see thickness and here you can see the thin letter. So these are the different styles, or this is the different style of the Roman letter. Here it is again it will turn, it will make the point over here. Okay, here is some problem. We will erase it and we correct it. So like this D letter will come. Here also you can see thin and here is a thick. This is a beautiful style. Here you can see, here is a E letter is straight and here is a cross. So this is different type of beauty in Roman letters, but it is not compulsory for you. Just for information I am showing you few letters. Because you should understand, if you are interested you can practice and you can do, but it is not compulsory. Okay, this style is called right oblique. The cut of the letter is a left or right, that I will show you right now. Sorry, this is if. So see, these are the letter A, B, C, D, E. Okay, there is a different style of the lettering. Now different way I will show you how you can draw the letters. Actually cut of the Roman letter is right oblique, hence the letter has a right cut like this. Just keep in mind for knowledge only. Right, and in our Devanagari letters, which are Devanagari letters? Marathi, Hindi are called as Devanagari letters. Here it has a left oblique, left cut. Okay, in coming period I will show you left and right when we are writing. Okay, left oblique and right oblique. This is for Roman and this is for Devanagari. Devanagari letters. Okay, now we will go further. Now you will ask, sir, should we write with this letter? No, it is not compulsory. You can make it very simplified. Here I can see you can write A with your own style. You can make it thin, heighted, broad, tall. Here is an example of bold letter. I have made it the bold. Like this you can make it bold. Here I will show now B word. Here we will turn. Here we will turn. Here we will turn, and your B letter is ready. Here we will do the dark, and here we will do dark. Here is this line, guideline. So this is your B word. So this is the bold style. You can create the C also, this same style. So like this, here C is ready. So this is called a bold style. Here also I will show the few words, so you will understand it. Now I will show D word. Now in this you can see the size is measurement in the lines are same, equal. Okay, try to maintain the distance or size same. Okay, this is your D. This is your E. You can erase the middle line, guideline. Now F will be also same, only down one line will not be there. Same. F. So afterwards you can erase the guidelines. G. So like this, here G letter is completed. So no need to write with Roman letters, means this right oblique style. You can make it bold or you can make it simple also. Okay, now I will show you the Devanagari letters. Here is the example. Here you will understand. See, here is the cut left. Here is the left. Here is the left. You are in this letter left. So I have showed for Devanagari. This is the left oblique. You can see this is the cut. Here is the cut of the word. Here you can see. So according to the style, the word is moving. Okay. So these are the different styles, words, and you can use or you can do. Now I will show you the wa or ba. The word wa you can make it ba also. Here is the left cut. Here is the left cut. So like this word will come. Okay, here you can see thin, word is thin because of that style, and here you can see the thickness. Here is the thin and here is the left cut. So now you can make the word into the ba also. Or even you want to do the ko, you can do like this also. For ko you can erase the line, and here also you can do the same. It is long, we will make it short. So like this you can do the ko word also. Means if you are knowing the style, you can make it the word. So wo, bo or ko. Okay. Here you can see thinness, thickness, and these guidelines will erase in the middle. So these are the different words. Now I will show you the ra word, ra. So this is the ra word, ra. Okay. So here you can see thin, here you can see the thick. It is not compulsory for all of you. Keep in the mind, but you should know. You should have knowledge. That is why I am telling you. Afterwards, I will show you different style also. I will show now yo word, yo. This is the year word. So I hope you are understanding the purpose. So like this you can practice. This is not a compulsory, but you can understand. If you will practice, you will able to do. Now we will write the word go. G for Ganesh, Ganpati. Correct. So these are the different words. I will show you now more. Ma word. Okay, so you can make it bha also. You are just doing like this, it will be a bha word. Just increasing here bha. So I hope you are understanding the subject what I am teaching you or telling you. Okay, so these are the styles of lettering and you can practice. Next period I will show you different word, because we have to write a word and you have to complete the assignment. This is not your assignment, this is your practice session. Practice means you can practice this later, so we can do the different. If you want to use or do with this style later, you can do it. Okay, so like this you can do ma, pha, ya, ra. Okay, next period I will show you the different type, different style. Thank you very much.